Traffic piles up at Banashankari bus station in Bengaluru. The traffic pile-up was reported as cops intensified checking roads leading to Kanakapura and Nayandahalli. Also witnessed traffic, autos moving without passes seized by the police. Karnataka Civil Defence personnel lend a helping hand to the cops. This despite the fact that lockdown is in place. The state cabinet has extended the lockdown till the 3rd of May. Right on your screens, visuals from Banashankari, Ballari Road and Oakleepuram. The lockdown norms gone for a toss in Bengaluru. This is the traffic situation witnessed today with 89 positive cases in the capital city. The autos also are moving without passes, but the cops now also acting swiftly. The autos moving without passes have been seized. Roads leading to Kanakapura and Nayandahalli witness massive traffic. The cops have also intensified the checking. The people have been advised to stay inside their houses and not step out. This is the situation that one gets to witness in Ballari Road, on the Ballari Road in Oakleepuram as well as Banashankari. It does not look like that the lockdown is in place at all. Just take a look at these visuals. The WHO also has said that the worst is yet to come, but people continue to undermine the threat that COVID-19 poses. Absolutely shameful to say the least. The cops seized more than 50 vehicles for defying lockdown order near Satellite Bus Station on Mysuru Road in Bengaluru. The policemen are taking tough measures following the objection raised by the DG-IGP over poor implementation of lockdown order in some parts of the city. The people, in fact, the cops have been continuously requesting the people to stay indoors and not step out of their houses, but the people continue to violate lockdown norms, continue to disregard the lockdown order, the guidelines set out by the state government. The police now acting tough. They have started seizing vehicles. Over 50 vehicles have already been seized for defying the lockdown order near Satellite Bus Station on Mysuru. Karnataka already has reported 401 positive cases and 17 people have succumbed to COVID-19. But this number sure is not making any difference to these people who continue to step out of their residences unnecessarily.